Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, today I'm back with another Pinterest video where I take 4 outfits that I was inspired from my Pinterest board to recreate using my own wardrobe. Okay, so I've got some really good outfits here, okay? I'm really excited, as I always am. But you guys know the deal. I love finding outfit inspiration from Pinterest and recreating it. So whether I'm pinning outfits that I'm like, ooh, eventually I'll want to get the pieces to create that, or whether I already have those pieces in my wardrobe, I love using it as a tool to kind of stop the overconsumption and really just focus on what we already have, slash finding missing pieces within our wardrobe. That's another great way to use it. But y'all know the deal. Let's jump in. Let's start with look number 1. So look number 1 is a basic, simple outfit, but I think it's done so well. And you guys know I've been loving white on white. I've got 2 white on white outfits on here and then 2 denim outfits. My favorite things in the entire world. So let's do it. She looks super cute. I don't know if this is a full linen set. Mine's not going to be a full linen set. The top's going to be linen. The bottoms are going to be my go-to that I always wear. So let's start. Let's put on our little thrifted Liz Claiborne pants. I feel like these will be good because they kind of end at the same type of length as hers are, but I don't know, we'll see. Hers are a little more like flared, which are cute, but I don't have anything like that, so we're gonna make do with what we do have, you know, that's the deal. All right, I'm gonna throw on my little Quince linen shell top. Okay, similar enough. I feel like hers kind of flares out a little bit more than mine does, but same kind of elements to the outfit. Not tell if she has like heeled flip-flops on, but in reality, I wouldn't wear heeled flip-flops. So I'm gonna go with these dark chocolate brown. Hers also might be black. I'm not sure, but I like these better than like my black rubber flip-flops for this outfit. She has just a pair of square sunnies, and then she has a cute bag. I think hers is like a creamy white, but I think I wanted to do a little pop. Same kind of like bucket bag style as hers, but in this white. What do we think? And she's all like, anyway, I think this is really cute. I like it. It came together a lot better. I was debating whether to do linen pants, but my linen pants are long, so I figured let's do something a little cropped to show off the sandal. I like this a lot. It's good. It's a basic white on white, you know? Sometimes you just need to be reminded the basics are the best. Okay, let's move on to look number 2. We're going colorful. We're going colorful. White on white with some color. It's gonna be fun. Maybe it might fail. We'll see. I'm going to put on our white little poplin skirt. You guys know I've been styling this a ton because I recently got it and I love it. So that's what I do. Now, she has a white like button up on. So let's pop that on. So this is a very different look. So honestly, I'm not sure how well it's gonna go. We're gonna see. Guys, I spent like too many hours of my morning on the phone with the internet people. I was about to lose my brains. I swear, very little things frustrate me as much as technology not working. I was 5 seconds from fogging the router into the pool, like literally losing my mind. So crazy. It brings me to this level of just sheer chaos. Okay. And then I kept getting disconnected on the app, like chatting with somebody. I hate the chat feature. Don't bother me. Just let me call you, okay? And then I call somebody finally, and it disconnects from them. But then I got put back on with the same man, and I was like, listen, John, I don't think that's your name, but I have a feeling that we were destined to be back on the phone together, so let's get this issue solved. While I'm on the phone with him, he's like, ma'am, there is no issue. He's like, check your internet, it seems to be working. Okay, thanks, John, bye. Let's go in with these fun little green shoes. I think she has red shoes, but I figured let's do green. A strappy lace up moment. Why is it that colored shoes can look so tacky but also so chic at the same time? I'm going for classy. Hopefully I get that accomplished. Okay, now I'm feeling like a white old blob, like the Michelin Man. But she has a cute little simple curl necklace on, so let's pop that on. And she has a scarf. Huh? Scarf. Is no. Scarf. Okay, so hers is kind of like larger. Okay, this could work. This could really work. Skirt, or the scarf is giving a little more waist definition. I don't know, I'm not mad at it. It's very interesting. It's very out of the box. But something drew me to it, so what do you think? Okay, she has a red bag. I don't have a red bag. I have like a maroon one. Do you think this is almost too much color? So let's maybe try our yellow. Yeah, that looks a little less out there. What do we think, you guys? Okay, her, me, I don't know. I feel like I kind of did it. But is it weird? I feel like this is a little funky, but this is the whole part, you know? I'm not mad at it. What do we think? Would you wear this? I think I might. It's very out there. Pull up to my local HEB like this, people will be like, what's wrong with that girl? You'll never know. You'll never know what's wrong with me. Okay, that was look number 2. I mean, I think we did it. I just don't know if I love it. We'll see. I'll probably stare at myself in the mirror for another 5 minutes after this and figure it out. It's cool. Like if I were to see a girl wearing that, I'd be like, you're cool. Clearly I did. Why do I not look cool in it? I'm not sure. Let's move on to look number 3. Okay. Look number 3 is out there. I don't have exactly everything, but we're still gonna try. Because if you guys have been out here for a while, you know I was like hunting for the perfect denim dress for like so long, and I bought one. And then I see this denim dress and I'm like, oh my god, I like that denim dress. But I'm not buying another denim dress right now. So we're gonna see if I can still kind of create the same kind of concept as hers. So hers is like a fitted, gorgeous. She's gorgeous. So let's put on a little denim dress and see if we can make it work. Mine's a t-shirt shift dress, this wide. Right. Alright. So, okay. Clearly my dress looks nothing like hers, but I'm still gonna see if I can make it work. I got this from Target a while ago. But I'm gonna put on red little Mary Janes. I think hers are heels. But yeah, no, I don't own anything like that. This is as close as I have. She has a tan little baseball cap. She has a bucket of strawberries. I don't have strawberries right now. She's like a carton. I don't have that. I have raspberries, but that's really far. I'm not going downstairs. Okay, now, the thing that she has that I'm feeling like maybe could make it work is she has a shirt tied around her waist. So let's, I think it helps cinch in the waist. Button, top button. The girl's getting hungry. This is like too nice of a button up to be doing this, but, ooh, okay. Even though hers is tight, I still think this kind of works. Shows a little definition. Ding. I don't know. What do we think? I'm not mad at this. I honestly think this is a cute little, fun summer outfit. Yeah, the dress is not tight, but it still works. I kind of like this. I don't know. It's interesting. This is very 2000s, but, you know. Oh gosh, look at this. Go down, ma'am. Is it like, what is happening? Oh no. Okay, well, I wouldn't use it with this shirt. This shirt just wants to give me a tail, I guess. Let's just focus on for the outfit. I would never use this shirt anyways. This is a nice button up. I would use like a cheaper one, but I already had pulled it for a different outfit, so never mind my tail. All right, let's move on to the 4th look. Okay, so for look number 4, okay, I've had this outfit pinned for a long time. I honestly may have tried to recreate it in the past, but I've never had something quite this perfect. So, let's do it. Okay, so, I don't have everything, but I have some key components. So let's pop on these little red shorts that I just picked up from Cupshe. I think these are pretty spot on, so let's pop them on. I've always loved these sort of like mini short type of things, but I like that these aren't like super hugging, which is cute. Okay, let's put on a little denim t-shirt and not a dress or button-up shirt, t-shirt, whatever. Cutie. So cutie. So she has some metallic sandals on. I don't own metallics, and I didn't want to go with just my traditional Birkenstocks, so I'm going to go with these Zara ones. I think they just elevated a little bit. And then she has a big chunky pearl necklace, which I have been wearing the heck out of this necklace. What do we think? I love it. I wish these had pockets. I get why they don't, because they're very like, this is so cute. This is adorable. This is the outfit I'm gonna stay in to get my house in order and then reward myself with a little pole time. Anyway, yeah, I think this is Chelsea Park. It's giving Chelsea Park. But anyways, this is the fourth and final look, and honestly, so cute. Love. Okay, let me know what your favorite outfit was. I'd always love to know. I feel like they were all really good. Let me know what you think about the white on white with the scarf. Would you wear it? Did I look like I was trying too hard? I don't know. I think it's cute. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video very, very soon.